Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us. My name is Sheena Marajh and I'm a Redken Educator. You can follow me on Instagram at sheerwithsheens.redken. So now we're going to talk about Redken stylers. Redken stylers there is a lot to choose from. However, it is not complicated because when you're choosing Redken stylers, there are a few key notes that you can take in. We have our category that is our star brands that are multi-use. We have our green stylers that are great for volume purpose. Our blue package stylers are great for texture. We have our hairsprays that are amazing and they range from a low hold all the way up to a high or max hold of 32. And then we have our heat protection, that is magenta. This is gonna all give 450-degree heat protection and great for a little bit of multi-use. Some of my favorite products as a stylist is One United. One United is a 25 benefit use leave-in treatment. This is an amazing product for anybody and everybody. For me as a stylist, I say it's like hot sauce. I put it on everything. When we talk about One United, I use it as a cutting lotion. I dilute it with water in my spray bottle. Amazing to allow the hair to stay slippery and stay moisturized throughout your cut. It is also great for a detangling purpose. It is good for a little bit of moisture, and within those 25 benefits, it's also going to help give you frizz protection as well as smoothness. Another favorite of mine is our Quick Blowout. Quick blowout as a stylist, this is gonna save you behind the chair because if you do lots of blow dries, this is going to reduce your blow dry time by 30%. Being able to offer this to every client is going to help you as a stylist. It's gonna make your job a little easier and it's going to get your clients to love it because the smell is like a body spray and it has 450-degree heat protection. Thank you so much for joining us today, and if you want some more information, you can follow us on L'Oreal Access or follow me on Instagram.